Good morning, students. Class 6th, second chapter whole number, and the next topic is multiplication. So, what do you understand by multiplication? Generally, multiplication is the repeated addition. So, here, for example, if we have to multiply a whole number 3 to the another whole number 5, then it will be written as 3 multiply 5. So 3 multiply 5 means we have to speak out the table of 3 5 times or the table of 5 3 times. So 3 into 5, that is 15. But what is the basic meaning of multiplication? So the multiplication is repeated addition. So to find the multiplication of 3 with 5, we can write as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 5 group of 3. This is repeated addition of 3 5 times, or 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 3 group of 5. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 5 times sum will be equals to 15, or 5 plus 5 plus 5, 3 times sum will be equals to also 15. So multiplication is nothing but simply repeated addition. Now if we have to find the multiplication of a whole number 3 with 5, or we have to simply, if we have to write 3 multiply by 5, then the number by whom we multiply to any another number. In this case, if 3 multiplied 5 is written, then 5 is known as multiplier, and the number to whom we have to multiply by 5, that is 3, is known as multiplicand, and 3 multiplication 5 result is 15 is known as its product. So if we have to multiply a given number by another number, then the number by which we are multiplying is known as multiply, and the number which is multiplied is called multiplicand, and the result of the multiplication of two number is known as its product. Similarly, if the multiplication of 4 into 5 is equals to 20, then 20 is known as its product, 5 is known as multiplier, and 4 is known as multiplicand. And these 4 and 5 are also known as the product of factors of 20. So here, if 3 multiplication by 5 is equals to 15, then 15 is the product, and these two numbers 3 and 5 are known as the factor of 15. Here 4 into 5 equals to 20, so 20 is the product, and for the product 20, these two number 4 and 5 are known as its factor. So of 20, these 4 and 5 are factor. Now we will discuss the properties of multiplication, and the first property is closure property. Now what do you understand by closure property? If we have given two whole number, and if we have to find the product of these two whole number, then the result is also a whole number. See here, the 3 and 5 multiplication is 15, 3 is also a whole number, 5 is also whole number, and the product of these two whole number is also a whole number. So whole number are said to be closed under multiplication. That is simply, if any two whole number are multiplied to each other, then their multiplication will be also a whole number. So multiplication is closed under whole number. The next property is commutative property. Let A and B be the two given whole number, and if we have to find A into B or B into A, then the product of A into B will be equals to B into A. In this case, this property A into B barabar B into A is known as commutative under whole number. For example, if we have to find the product of two whole number 4 and 5, then 4 into 5 equals to 20, or 5 into 4 also equals to 20. So, the product of two whole number is a commutative. Now, next property is associative property. So, for associativity, let A, B and C be the three whole number. Then, if A multiply B multiply with C is equals to if A multiplication with B multiplication C, then A into B into C equals to A into B into C, then this is known as associative property. And how we will prove this? First, we will find the product of A into B. Resulted will be multiply with C. So, here C, if we have to multiply 2 into 3 into 4, then first we will multiply 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 into 4 will be 24. Similarly, A into B cross C. Here first we will find the multiplication of B and C, and the result of B and C will be multiplied with A. So, for example, if we have to multiply 2 cross 3 cross 4, then first 3 cross 4 is 12, then 12 into 2, that is also 24. So, A cross B cross C is equals to A cross B cross C, and this property is known as associative property. Please pause it and note down. Next property is identity property. So, under the given whole number, let us suppose A be the any given whole number, and if we have to multiply the given whole number by 1, then A into 1 will be equals to 1 into A, that is equals to A. So, when any given whole number is multiplied with the number 1, then its value will remain always A. So, multiplicative identity element is known as 1. Why? Because if we multiply any given number by 1, then its value will never change. So, the multiplicative identity element is 1. Next property is zero property. So, in zero property, if any whole number is multiplied with 0 or 0 is multiplied with the whole number, then resulted will be always equals to 0. Now, the next property is distributive property, and this property is very important property. This property is categorized in two ways. First, multiplication is distributive over addition, means if we have to multiply A to the sum of B plus C, means here three whole numbers are given. First is A, second is B, and third one is C. We have to multiply A with the sum of B plus C. So, if we have to multiply A with the sum of B plus C, then it will be equals to A into B plus of A into C. So, A plus B plus of A into C. A into B plus of A into C. This is known as multiplication. Multiplication is distributive over addition. Now, similarly, if we have to find the product of A multiplication B minus C, then A multiplication B minus of A multiplication C. So, A multiplication B minus C is A multiplication B minus of A multiplication with C, and this is known as multiplication is distributive over subtraction. So, two property we discussed. First, A cross B plus C is equals to A cross B plus of A cross C, and A cross B minus C is equals to A cross B minus of A cross C. So, first one is multiplication is distributive over addition, and second is multiplication is distributive over subtraction. Now, on the basis of these 6 properties, we will do the next exercise. So, the next exercise is self exercise 2b. Question number first. Fill in the blanks with a whole number to make each of the following a true statement. The first is A is 8396 is multiplied with 1. So 1 is multiplier and 8396 is multiplicand. And we know that if any number is multiplied by 1, then its numerical will remain always the same number. So 8396. Here this one is known as multiplicative identity element. Question number second. A number 64,937 is multiplied by 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, then its value will remain always 0. So this was the property of 1. This is property of 0. Then next, see, 45 multiply by 7 will be equals to 7 into 45. So this is multiplication is commutative. If we multiply 45 with 7 or 7 with 45, so this multiplication is commutative. That is, if A is multiplied with B or B is multiplied with A, resulted will remain always same. Then next question. 7 into 4 into 3 is equals to 7 into 4 into 3 is equals to 7 into 4 into 3. That is, A multiply B with multiply C is equals to A multiply B into C. That is, multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative. Then next question E. 194 multiply by 23 will be equals to 194 multiplied by 20 into. See here, this 23 is given as a broken into part. 194 is multiplied by 23. If we write 23 as 20 plus 3, then it will be equals to 23. Now, let us suppose 194 is A and 20 is B and this is C. Then A multiply B plus C. That is, multiplication is distributive over addition. So 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. Now 20 plus 3, 23. So 194 into 23. That is 194 into 20 plus 3. That is 23. So this is multiplication is distributive over addition. So in this way we can fill the blanks. Then next one is F. Here only we have to fill the blanks. You can find the product also using the property. So next property is F. 89 into 302 is equals to 89 into 89 into 300 plus 89 into 2. How? We can write this as 89 into 300 plus 2. Now 89 into 300 plus 89 into 2. So this is 89 into 300 plus 89 into 2. We can write this is also multiplication is distributive over addition. Then the next question, G, 57 into 29 is equals to 57 into 57 into 20 plus 57 into 5 plus 57 into 4. We can write here 4. Why? In left hand side 57 is multiplied by 29. We can write this as 57 into 20 plus 5 plus 4. So this 29 can be written as 20 plus 5 plus 4. So 20 plus 5 plus 4 will be 29. Now if 57 is multiplied with the addition of these three numbers, then first we can 57 multiply by 20 plus 57 multiply 5 plus 57 multiplied with 4. So 57 multiplied by 20 plus 57 multiplied by 5 plus 57 multiplied by 4. So again this is multiplication is distributive over addition. So this is the question number first. Please pause it and note down. Now the question number second. Read the question carefully. State the property used in each of the following statement. Question number second. First, A, 37 into 1 equals to 37. That is which property? Identity property. Identity property. The name of property is identity. If any number is multiplied by 1, then its value will be remain unchanged. This is the identity property. Here 1 is multiplicative identity for multiplication. Then second, 0 into 958. If 0 is multiplied with the 958 or 958 is multiplied by 0, then resulted will be equals to 0. So if any number is multiplied by 0 or 0 is multiplied by any number, then resulted will be always equals to 0, and this is known as zero property. Zero property. Then question number C, 28 is multiplied by 17 is equals to 17 multiplied by 28. So if two number multiplication A into B is equals to B into A, then such property is known as multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. This is commutativity property. So multiplication is commutative, or we can say commutativity property. Then D, 2 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 5 is equals to 19 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. If three numbers multiplication A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. If three numbers are under multiplication, and in multiplication if we can change their order, in that case their numerical value is not changed, then this is known as multiplication is associative. So multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative. So here the multiplication associative property is used. Then E 1538 multiplied by 17 plus 1538 is multiplied by 3. If we in these two terms, if we can take 1538 as common, then it can be written as 17 plus 3. So it can be written as 1538 multiplied by 20. So 1538 multiplied by 17 plus 1538 multiplied by 3. This is multiplication is distributive over addition. Multiplication is distributive over addition. Multiplication distributive over addition. Now next question, F 724 multiplied with 16 multiplied by 25 is if equal to 724 into 16 into 25. So here let 724 is A, this is B, this is C, then A multiply B multiply C. So this is multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative. So please pause it and note down. Now question number 3. Find the following product by suitable rearrangement. First question, A 50 into 27 into 2. 57 into 2 into 2. We have to find the product of this number. And what is the question? Question is they find the following product by suitable rearrangement. Suitable rearrangement. So if we have to find the product of 50 into 27 into 2, then we can write 50 into 2 into 27. Then 50 into 2, 100 into 27. So what we have to do, सबसे पहले आपको ये ऑब्जर्व करना है कि इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम इजी से इजी किस तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं. सो अगर मैं 50 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा इट विल बी 100. अब 100 को किसी भी नंबर से अगर मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो सिंपली आपको 27 के आगे 20 लगाना है. बिकॉज अगर कोई भी नंबर एक ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना जहां पर इसका जो मल्टीप्लायर है वो 10 है या 100 है या 1000 है या 10,000 है, तो सिंपल अपने को क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लायर में जितने नंबर है उतने उस नंबर के आगे सिंपल अपने को 0 लगाना. सो दिस इज 2700, दैट इज 2700. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. देन सेकंड question is 4 into 9 into 25. How we can multiply? अगर मैं 4 और 25 को अगर साथ में लेता हूं तो 4 into 25 into 9 by associative property. In this way we can write. Now 4 into 25 is 100 into 9. So it will be equals to 900. Then next question. So आपको थोड़ा सा अपना दिमाग लगाना है कि हमारा कैलकुलेशन कैसे फास्ट होगा. So 25 into 39 into 8. How we can multiply? अगर मैं 25 को 8 से पहले मल्टीप्लाई करूं, 25 into 8 into 39, then it can be written as 25 into 8. 25 into 8 is 200 into 39. Now 200 को लिख सकते हैं अपन 2 into 100 into 39. So take 100 as first, then 2 into 39. Now 2 into 39 will be equals to 100 into 78. Now see, 78 को अगर 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना, सिंपली we will put 20 after 78. So 7800 is your answer. Then next one, question number D. What we have to do? Multiply 625 by 20 into 8 into of 50. So rearrangement में simplest way में हम कैसे multiply कर सकते हैं? See, 625 keep as it is, 20 into 8 into 50. So if we multiply this 20 by 50, then into 20 into 50 into 8. So it will be 625 into 20 into 50, that is 1000 into 8. So now we can write 625 into 8 into 1000. So 8 5s are 40, 0, carry 4, 8 2s are 16 and 4 20, 0, carry 2, 6 8s are 48 and 2 50. So 5000 into 1000. Now simply here multiplier is 1000 of 5000. So after 5000 we will put 3 zeros. So 1 2 3. Now count unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So this is 50 lakh. 50 lakh. So please pause it and note down. Then question number 4. Evaluate the following by using distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So first question is 79,328 is multiplied by 93 plus 7 into 79,328. This is the first question. And second one is 8,057 multiplied by 59 plus 8,057 multiplied by 25 plus 8,057 multiplied by 16. So these are the two questions. Both the question based on multiplication over addition. In these two terms, if we take 79,328 as common, then it will be 93 plus 7, because multiplication is distributive over addition. Now 79,328 multiplied by 93 plus 7, 100. So its answer will be, just you have to put 20 after 79,328. So 79,328 after 20. Now you can count unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 79 lakh, 32,800. Now here see, in all three terms 8057 is common. So if we take 8057 as common, then first 59 plus 25 plus 16. So on adding this number 8057 into 9 and 5, 14 plus 6, 20, 20, 0 carry 2, 5 and 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be 100. So 805700. Now count, read the number, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 8 lakh 5,700. Please pause it and note down. Then last question. Use the distributive property to find each product. So question number 5 first. 9 into 15. Using distributive property, we have to find the product. So we can write 9 into 10 plus 5. So 9 into 10, 90. First you have to write 9 into 10 plus 9 into 5. So it will be equals to 9 into 10, 90 plus 9 into 5, 45. So it will be equals to 135. Second question, 82 into 103. We can write it as 82 as it is into 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. So now 82 into 100 plus 82 into 3. So 82 into 100 will be equals to 8200 plus 3 2 ja 6 plus 8 3 ja 24. So it will be 8446. Then next question, C is 7 into 124. So it can be written as 7 into 100 plus 24. So it can be written 7 into 100 plus 7 into 24. So 7 into 100 will be equals to 700 plus 7 into 24, 7 4 ja 28 and 7 2 ja 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2 that is 16. So this will be 868. Please pause it and note down. Then next question, D, 3807 multiplied by 8. So it can be written as, for the simplest multiplication, how we can do it? 3000 plus 807. If multiply by 8, then 3000 into 8 plus 807 into 8. Now 8 3s are 24, so 24,000. Here 8 7s are 56, 56 6 carry 5, so this is 5 and 8 8s are 64. So simply what you have to do now, 24,000 with 6,458. So result will be 6 5 4 6 4 10 carry 1, so 30,456. The next question, E, multiply 258 with 1008. So we will use again multiplication over distributive addition. So 258 multiplied by 1000 plus 8. So multiplication is distributive over addition. So 258 multiplied by 1000 plus 258 multiplied by 8. It will be equals to 258 000 plus 258 multiplied by 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 5s are 40 and 6 46, carry 4, 8 2s are 16, 4 20. So 2064. So now you can add 25800 6402. So result will be 64872, 27,864. Now last question is 869 multiplied by 10,005. So again we will use multiplication over is distributive over addition. 869 as it is multiplied by 10,000 plus 5. So 869 multiplied by 10,000 plus 869 multiplied by 5. So it will be equals to 869 4 times 0 plus 9 5s are 45, 5 carry 4, 6 5s are 30 and 4 34, carry 3, 8 5s are 40 and 3 43. Now simply you have to add 869 4 times 0 with 4345. So result will be 5 4 3 4 9 6 8. So unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 86 lakh 94,345. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.